Hi, we're Veeam, and we've been around since 2006 with a world-class product driving us and a shared vision uniting us. It's our mission to be the most trusted company in data management. We're already leading the way with over 4,000 Veeamazing people. Nimble and dynamic, we're still a startup at heart. Agile enough to make swift decisions and always putting each other first. This is a place where you can win and be recognized for the ideas you bring, helping you succeed. This is a place where you can grow, no matter where you're from. Here, you can be proud to do great work that's rewarding, and work that makes data more reliable. We speak from the heart. We're hungry, smart and focused, but we're also humble, open and genuine. And we listen, because great ideas can come from the smallest sound, standing by each other. We get things done, doing it together and having fun while we're at it. Keep it real, make it Veeamazing. Veeam.